Hello, this is David Kim, a specialist of GRP panel tank. From today, I'd like to share some information to find out the best GRP panel tank. Because of there are many components and conditions we have to find out. Quality in terms of quality, people just consider about the panel strength. But there are many others also. Industrial accessories and even panel strength uh, can be decided based on the quality of SMC sheet. So we need to understand how SMC sheet can be made and what is the point and important things for SMC sheet. After that, what is the process of the panel making? Because of the panel itself, we cannot figure it out the quality of the panel, whether this is a strong or not. Some people say the heavy panel is just good, like that. This is a very simple understanding. Here is a chart and for the checkpoint for the best GRP tank. As I told you, there are some points we have to check for the best GRP tank. Many people are concerned about price. I can understand their knowledge because of they're not expert of these things, but there are some hidden information or hidden figures inside of the panel, and we need to check each and every point. Otherwise, we cannot guarantee the best GRP panel tank. We cannot expect the quality of this water tank because of the GRP water tank is engineering product, not fancy things. First one is SMC sheet. Second is panel forming. Third one is steel accessory, other accessories, and last one is installation. With my own idea, I put some marks to indicate the importance of each point. The importance of each point for to make best GRP panel tank. SMC sheet is 15%, and panel forming is also 15%. And steel accessory is 10%, and other accessories 15%. But the ladders and level indicators in the air vent is just a normal level. But the reason why I put 15% in number 4, other accessories, there is a sealant gasket. Sealant gasket is one of the most important material for leaking issue. So we have to take care of this material also. And last one is installation. Installation is 45%. So among this 15%, I divide resin is 50%, and glass fiber is 15%, calcium carbonate and 15%, and others are 20%. As you see, resin is the most important material for SMC sheet. This is the composition of SMC sheet. Most important thing is resin, unsaturated polyester resin, and calcium carbonate and fiberglass. Today, so we are going to have a look at manufacturing process to understand what is SMC sheet, how it makes, and what is the application, something like that. Resin shooting 20%, give or take. So here we go, manufacturing of SMC. This is production line photo, and there are some machines and some plastic room attached with machine connected from plastic pipe. This is for glass fiber, and there is a ball, big ball, which will contain compound. And this is a conceptual image for manufacturing process. There are some raw material. We will be mixing in dissolver to make compound, and releasing the compound two different ways. First one and second layer. First layer with a carrier filling is coming with glass fiber rubbing, chopping, and just dropping. Then it will be attached with compound and cover it with another layer of compound with carrier filling again. So SMC sheets will be made like this, and there are two types of finishing. Say this is a roll type, but there's another different type. This looks different type with fabric shape. So this one is raw material mixing. Before mixing, raw material measuring and putting raw material into a mixer, dissolver. This is the second step, is mixing. And third one is, after making compound, we have to shift the dissolver to the high level to release different ways, two ways. And we attach with a line mixer. And step 4 is SMC machine. As I told you, here, first and second layer, we have to release the compound. This is first and second layer. This is a second layer. There's another one, first layer. So we release the compound like that with chopped glass fiber with carrier film, and we make. It makes like that. After that, with this fabric foam, in Korea we don't make roll type, we make fabric type. And after that, we shift this cassette into a curing room at least 24 hours with 40 degrees high temperature. Then we can use this material. There are many different applications. First one is water tank. Second is bathtub or ceiling panel. Third one is automobile parts, like this. There are different parts like that. And also a luxury car like Mercedes and BM, we can apply it. And also construction parts like outside ceiling or indoor swimming pool or sauna, spa, like that. Today we have reviewed an SMC sheet and how it made and the applications and important point. And next time we are going to have a panel forming, some conditions and important point for making panel. Okay, so I hope you understood something about SMC sheet, which is very important material for best GRP panel tank. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.